I'm going to be using a new Leviton Decora outlet, and by Decora I mean that it is square instead of round like the old one. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm using a 2-gang with 1 blank outlet cover, so that's going to fit that nicely. I don't want to use what we had, so I'm going to cut that off, and I'm going to use what's called a greenie. Our new end on. Line those all up and twist them together. And then put our wire nut back on. So I got 2 screws on here. I'm going to put this set on the bottom screw. This is what we originally had. And then the new neutral I'm going to put on the top screw. You could use either one, it doesn't really matter. Okay, we'll do the same thing with our lines. Cool. So now that we got this much larger box, we got a lot more room for all these wires, and we just have to decide if we want this outlet to go on the right or on the left. I'm going to put it closer to the stud. So I'm just going to go turn the power on, and we'll see if everything works. So let's check. You have voltage 122 and 122.